Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export OBS settings and you can use it in another laptop if you want. So it is very easy and simple. First you are going to open OBS and now let's say we are going to export all those settings like the audio, the source, the scenes. So all we need to do is you see here on the top the option scene collection. You click here and then you will find the option export. You choose where do you want to export it, for example here, and let's say settings, OBS, and then you just click save, and that's it. Your settings are exported. And let's say now you are using another laptop and you want to import those settings, so you are going to click also on scene collection, but this time you are going to click on import and then you just click yes. And here, as you can see, there is browse. You are going to import this one, settings OBS. And once you do that, you just click on import and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.